Hello everyone, Hemal here with a weekend market update. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, you can click that box right there. First, a quick disclaimer. Okay, let's start with the weekend charts. Now, before I go further, so I will probably only update daily markets if there is a significant change or anything to say. Otherwise, I will just focus on actionable stocks if there are any, or my plan of action for the following day. So again, low volume week, just sideways consolidation. So like I told last week, I've been raising cash and I'll record another portfolio update after this. So at this point, I am going to probably reallocate to cash in 401k account as well, as I've been mentioning on pretty much this week most likely. So I will update that as I do that, if I do that. So again, sideways, lower than average volume, was pretty much flat for the week. Spiders, Qs, probably the same story here. Yep, pretty flat, just negative 0.16% lower than average volume. So IWM continues to be strong. However, as we can see, it almost made a lower low for the week. Just something, that's a change in character. It hasn't done that ever since this started. Lower than average volume, which is also something, a change of character, in my opinion. Now let's look at 50. Down 0.38. So everything was pretty much flat. If we look at Dow, same thing, and then ACWI, same thing. So at this point, if I reallocate to cash, I will probably re-enter if it breaks through here. If it breaks through this line right there on volume, that means I was wrong to reallocate to cash, and I'll probably get re-involved in the market if it breaks through that line. Now let's look at daily charts very quick. So again, same story. It continues to tighten up here. As we can see, sideways action, volume obviously trending lower. Holiday week, we can expect that. Same thing with the Qs. We already saw the weekly chart, so same thing, tightening up here. IWM continues to be in an uptrend on a daily chart, as we can see also on a weekly chart. Now let's look at Dow. Continues to tighten up here, so we'll have to see where the resolution is, to the upside or to the downside. 50. As I mentioned during the daily update, it was extended over the 21, so we can see this is just a normal action, nothing to be super cautious about. Also, I changed the shadings to the extensions to the color of the moving average it represents. So this is extension over the 50, the most extreme extension in recent history. This is over 21, so it is easier for me to remember and easier for you to see. And then ACWI. Like I said, same thing. Now, one thing I wanted to really show here, and I believe I have covered this before, just one indicator here. Let's go to daily chart very quick. Breadth, absolute breadth. So as we can see, it made a lower low. And again, so less stocks are participating. So we can see when the bottom is formed, it is on the high side. So when the market is topping out, typically the breadth continues to deteriorate. As we can see, it's making higher highs in SPY. However, the breadth is going down. So again, just a yellow flag here, which I've been looking. So we'll have to see. As you can see, the price action is also moving away from this trend line. So that's all I have. Again, I am now 10% in cash. I was 99.5% in market last week. I will update that in the portfolio update on what stocks I sold, and then also what I'm still holding. So I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everybody had a great week, and then let's continue to enjoy the holidays into next week and then into the new year 2021. So I hope everyone is doing well. Take care.